Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and this is a full specification of the Asus Zenbook Flip 13 UX362FA laptop. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Please note that this is not a paid promotional video. This video was made to show a viewer the specifications of this device, not to influence a viewer to purchase. RapzWorldWide software is not responsible for any decision taken by a viewer.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do. Smiling depression, they think I'm alright. I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates.